Hi guys, welcome to our channel जो है Modern Tech Science, where we will discuss about topic related to science and try to understand it. अगर आपने अब तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ जाकर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. As in previous video, we have discussed about what is power plant and its type. In this video we will discuss about its first type, that is thermal power plant, and its working. Let's start our topic. We will discuss about what is thermal power plant. A thermal power station is a power station in which heat energy is converted to electric power. Before knowing what is thermal power plant and how it's work, we have to understand some important concept. Our first concept is generator generally work on the principle of electromagnetic induction given by Michael Faraday. According to the principle, whenever magnetic field around a conductor changes, a potential difference is generated across the conductor. मीन्स जब भी कंडक्टर के आसपास का मैग्नेटिक फील्ड चेंज होगा उस कंडक्टर में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जनरेट होगा. एंड वी कैन जनरेट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इन टू वेज, बाय कीपिंग मैग्नेट स्टेशनरी एंड मूविंग कंडक्टर अराउंड इट, और बाय कीपिंग कंडक्टर स्टेशनरी एंड मूविंग मैग्नेट अराउंड इट. जनरली हम जनरेटर के अंदर मैग्नेट को रोटेट करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ टर्बाइन टू प्रोड्यूस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. नाउ सेकेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म वी हैव टर्बाइन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टर्बाइन हैज़ अ ब्लेड and turbine is connected to the generator. Turbine is used to rotate the magnet in the generator. Here we have a sketch of steam turbine which is connected to the generator with the help of the shaft. As high pressure steam fall on the blade of the turbine start to rotate, and the magnet in the generator also start to rotate, which is connected with the turbine with the help of the shaft. Third important term we have boiler. A closed chamber where source of energy produce heat and water is converted into steam. Then we have a condenser where water is circulated from the cooling tower to condenser where steam is converted into water. Then we have a pump to circulate the water in the power plant. What is thermal or steam power plant? With the help of this diagram, we will understand the working of the thermal power plant. As shown in the figure, boiler where heat is produced to convert water into steam. Then that steam of high temperature and pressure is circulated to a turbine to rotate its blade. And as turbine is connected to an electric generator with the help of the shaft, as the blade of a turbine start to rotate, the magnet in the generator also start to rotate, and hence the electric field is produced. And that steam from the turbine goes to the condenser, and the cooling water from the cooling tower circulated in the condenser with the help of the pump to convert steam into water again. And that water is again circulated to a boiler with the help of the pump to restart the process. As shown in this diagram, how turbine is connected to a generator with the help of the shaft and how it's work. As shown in the figure, it looks somewhere like this in 3D. As shown in this diagram, how turbine is connected to a generator with the help of the shaft and how it's work. Then we have advantages and some disadvantages of thermal power plant. Then we have first, advantages of thermal power plant. Fuel use, that is coal, is quite cheaper. Initial cost is less as compared to other generating station. It required less space as compared to hydroelectric power plant. Then we have disadvantages of thermal power plant. It pollutes atmosphere due to production of smoke and fumes. Running cost of the power plant is more than hydroelectric plant. Thermal power plant is the biggest source of power in India. More than 70% of total energy consumed in India is shared by thermal power plant. And here we have some thermal power plant in India and its capacity to produce electricity. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand this video. If you understand this video, drop one like, subscribe our channel and comment and share it to your friends.